Hey guys, sorry I had to fix my lighting. But so sorry that I've been gone for so long, but life gets busy and a lot of things have been happening. I'm a college student, so that comes first, and then I had 2 jobs. It was crazy, but I'm going to try so hard to be more consistent. And I'm super excited about this video. It's just a hair video on my crochet braids that I have right here. And I look forward to, talking to you guys later. I love you all, wildflowers, and stay here if you're ready for 6 quick and easy crochet braids hairstyles. Okay guys, so here is my first style. I'm going to be doing 2 puffs at the top of my head. Basically, you'll need 2 scrunchie or hair ties for this style, and all you have to do is just kind of bunch it up at the top, make it like you're about to make 2 small buns, and then fluff, fluff, fluff. And you can definitely do them neater than what I did, but that's it. Okay, so I'm just taking down this hairstyle, and this is number 2. So what we're going to be doing with this style is a half up, half down style, and I'm going to have little tendrils or whatever you want to call them, in the front, a little cute, kind of like 90s-esque. That's kind of what's in right now, a little fluff. And it actually really does remind me of a 90s style. Sorry, I was fixing the light on that. But, so yeah, we're on number 3. And so with this, we're going to leave the tendrils in the front. I really kind of like doing that. But basically, you'll need a hair tie, and we're just going to make a big puff as if this was like our natural hair, and fluff, fluff, fluff. You can fluff as much as you want. Also, for this, I would go and fill in. So this is number 4. Oh, by the way, what I meant by filling in the last hairstyle, with your crochet hair, you can fill in a little bit more if you feel like you need to. But anyways, with this style, I'm doing another puff, but it's going to be a low puff in the back and have a little bang in the front. And that's how I like to do this for professional stuff. Okay, on to the next. So this is number 5. Yeah. 5. And basically we're just going to kind of leave it down. You don't need any hair tools for this. Just kind of, break apart some of the hair and just bang, side part. I really like to wear it. I do this the most, to be honest. Alright, and please don't mind dancing. So, okay, this is number 6. And what we'll be doing with this one is we're going to just pull some of the side back on each side, and I'm going to ponytail it to the back. And I'm going to leave a little bang, and I'm going to make sure that everything is kind of pulled so that it's not caught on anything, because this hair gets kind of tangly. And that is it. Alright, y'all, so that is 6 quick, easy hairstyles to do with your crochet braids. And if you have any more questions about the hair I use or anything, please drop them below. Make sure you remember to subscribe, like, share, all of that, all those good things. And I hope that you wildflowers are having a great fall, or have a great fall, if you're in school or working, whatever. I hope that it's going great, and I will see you next time.